Welcome back to the course. Let's have a look at a couple of team structures. Starting off with the project manager team. One frequent scenario is that the project manager is part of a program where a team of project managers are working on different projects. So a program is a group of projects. I'll give you a very simple example. So we have a program manager on top, managing the program. And we have the first project manager with his team underneath for the project or projects he is working on. Now, as it is a program, we expect to see another project manager. Here he is, your favorite PM. So working on my project, I have this lady. So she looks similar because she's working already on my mate's project. So we are sharing the resource. So this is an example of shared resource. I also have a team lead working for me. She has a team, but I usually only deal with her. Before I close on this, I wanted to mention a couple of things. The first one is obviously a program can have many PMs and many PMs can have many projects. So a program can be quite big as far as projects is concerned. Now some quick notes. A project manager can belong to a pool of project managers. It's called a project office or project management office. And also another note is that the project manager can be assisted by a project coordinator. I would say mainly on admin type of tasks, helping with minutes and writing reports and the likes. So that's it. Very simple structure, but I think that helps you understand project management within the context of a program.